back again. It's August the 29th, and we're getting hit really hammered very hard with the Hurricane Harvey. We're getting a lot of wind now, and we've had rain. We've heard up to like 15 inches of rain here in just the last few hours. So, reporting again, as you can see, today we got more water today than what we had the other day when I filmed. The other day you can see towards the culverts and stuff, but you can't see my culverts now. It's quite a bit above the ditch. This is the drainage ditch now, local drainage ditch, and they're pumping as fast as they can because you can even see swift water moving, so they're pumping. But with the rain that we've had, there's no way that's keeping up with it. Before you could see, like I said, you could see better water flow, and it's flowing out. We're getting just a little bit of a slack right now on the rain. It's slacked up, so I'm filming. But I think we got another little small cell coming in. You can see over here, again the other day, the house here that got water in the house, it's actually got quite a bit more water in the whole house this time. Before it was in a section of the house. This time I think the whole house is flooded. This here driveway, you can see the driveway the last time. This time here you can't even see where the driveway is. It's just flowing over the ditch. Yards are completely flooded, which is, you know, immaterial, but here this flooded here. There's a culvert right there, but it's so backed up there's no way to really whip it down. Harvey is much closer offshore. It's coming in. It's going to come in pretty close over here. We're actually supposed to be on the good side of the storm, but being they turn into a tropical wave or whatever you want to call it, usually the rains and the winds are on the east side, but they're switched on the west side. So I say if you get, some people are lucky that on the east side, but here we are on the west side, we're very unlucky because we're getting the rain. Like I say, we're now getting into the point where all the ditches are completely covered. It's in the yard now. We don't have rain in our house. We don't have water in our house yet. But walking over here, you can see with the drainage ditch full, we're getting up towards the house. So if we get too much more, we will have water in our house also. We're hoping and praying that it don't, but well, we had a record the other day when I filmed, had record rains and record height. We are, this drainage ditch is probably another, I'm going to guess, another foot on top of what it was then. And it really can't stand much more. It's slacked up right now. There was a huge sail that came over, and within a few hours we had 15 inches of rain. And there's just no way a drainage ditch can take care of that kind of a rain. And it's slacked up right now, but I think it shows another sail coming shortly, not very far from now. It's coming up. It's not a huge one, but it could be just enough to, you know, to top things off and keep them over. We're hoping and praying not to, because this house over here across the street, there's no water in it. It's on piers, so it's got a ways to go. That house there is on underwater right now inside. I mean, it's not completely flooded, but there's about 6 inches of water inside the house, and they left. They got in their cars and they left the higher ground. The next house is on piers. I think they're okay. The house on the other side of that, I'm not really sure, but the people across the other side of the street, they got water in their house the other day. And if they got it the other day, they got it today, because it's at least 6 inches to a foot higher on all this than it was the other day. So anyway, we got a little slack up right now. Don't know how long it's going to last. We've got another sail coming in. Sails just keep farming